far, look at this. So this is what's contributing to. Brian! So I'm trying to talk, boss. Yeah, and look how long they run, look how long this happens. And look at this. It's pretty far right now, it's gone back to square one. If Prince starts falling down up right.
Yeah. So tell me how the place this has been here from when? Since Hurricane Beryl?
Yes, yes.
From the storm? And in a clean
No,
all
no,
now?
I'm not talking about that.
So that means what happens if we get a proper shower of rain
The water
again?
gone take the road and gone down and take and gone out. The water will just part of the road and stop and no vehicle can pass. You can't see that they come through all the way yesterday. And when they see them come and dig out from the
But they need to figure out if them dig right over there, they need to figure out that side there as well.
Well, this is where the water comes. This is the side that they should clean out, you know?
Yeah,
So it can't run go
yes, it
through
can
that
run
side. So
down
why
that
they
side.
don't clean this
When
side?
the water come now, it comes take the road.
Yeah.
But when I go down, take the road.
Man, this one look good at all.
It's like they're moving backward right here. Because this is the side they should clean and not that side.
Right now.
Yeah, Jack. Mark first, Noel Mark first.
Noel McPherson,
Yeah.
where we are?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
Explain to me, how is the road in this condition? What's happening?
It's coming like the riverside. Right as it is, it's the river road better. Yeah. So we have a lots problem because the road are dirt, them put road instead of more dirt. And dirt can't fix road. Dirt.
Is this the new road?
New road, I don't think it's signing yet, so I'll say yes, the road complete. And watch the condition of the road. Watch the gully, side way. When the water come now, it flood, go up, it go down. So we have a big lot of problem. Nobody we have to talk to here. Nobody.
Was this before the hurricane or after? How is the road looking like this?
When it try to do a little thing before the hurricane and the hurricane come, it becomes worse. Yes, not lie. They need to try to do something. But it's dirt. Dirt cannot go on the road. Dirt. And mall we put pan road, them dig off the broke stone with the pan it and put the dirt. That is the position.
And since you're out here, you ever seen any major accidents happening out here before? Like,
Yes, several accidents. Up there, all there, several accidents, yeah. Several accidents on the state, yeah. Hundreds of them for the day. Hundreds of them truck for the day run and the taller one, them trailer there.
and it seems like the road can't manage the pressure of it.
Cannot mind it, cannot mind the road. A riverside with the pan on me, riverside, the road is a river with the pan say a firm land, river. A river. The gully come down, the water gone up, it gone down.
So what would you guys say like to have? What would the community want to see happen for the
We
area?
need a better program, we want a better road, but the gully need to ice and all type of thing right there because it creates a problem. Cause when the water falls from the gully to the gully there, it rises over the road. You can't see that little bridge there with a little something there, you see. Pure water. Pure water as long as you look at pure water. Pure water. Name is again? Noel McPherson.
100% was so bad. What is it? Is a culvert here or what? Yeah, do you ever want that?
go right up to Stewart. Right up to the bridge. The bridge have a rapid, no bridge. So reach the bridge, have a rapid wall like when this now go down line. Highway improvement project.
Yeah, I can't believe this.
Alright, respect the yes, sir.
Yes, man.
Go big up on us.
Yeah, man.
Believe me, check it. This way going? Use it and check it.
Careful about the message that you are sending. And I said it, and I will say it again. You retire now and gone, and I will say it before me say you have to be careful of the message that you are sending. You go in a place, you take a PG and Porsche, stick them and show the door, and you have the rest of them up there. What kind of message you are sending?
We dealt with that long time. We dealt with that again. It's part of the crust DNA that is running across some people. You and I spoke about that.
You got a cartel party.
You came in a hearse.
None of them used to go and pass with skin.
Why is man asking everything to go cartel party? How that coming there?
Have you ever been to Pasa? He said no. Okay, he said, what about Kingston Jamboree? I don't heard it right.
The lady who will interview all the way down
You go.
what place them near?
You go cartel party.
Down with for the tree.
Party me they go. But you go make sure
Drop on the house of your
How Paula come in this? How Paula come in this? Not the prosecutor, but the judge sent caller. That is what the transcript said. And the judge sent caller in chambers to say, what do we do because this has come to us? And he gave her views as to what should happen as the other members of the defense team. But it is definitely a call for the judge. When some people talk about Paula Llewellyn, God the Dean and all them something, that is not factual.
If we can get a car or two,
Go down in there.
going in there, so.
Go some more in my house. And put it over there, start it. Talk to.
You take me. That's very good. I'm so glad to know.
Yeah, that's a seafood.
Only road.
It's a disgrace to see the road that just fixed.
That's it.
Right?
Them eat the money and do nothing.
What is our money going?
And with
Where's our money
taxes.
going?
And the taxes. You
Yeah.
see them I run back with the taxes what?
So
You have to pay.
very good.
Talk to me.
Me pay my taxes.
Yeah, we're here.
Yeah, long time. This should be done long time. This should be done long
We have
time.
one
Wasting the
opportunity
taxpayer
we
money.
want to come to the gully where I flood out and step 3 right time money gram.
Alright.
It's necessary. All of my man shouldn't come out of prison all now. Because you know, see, not even 6 months yet when I'm on the road. You have to walk and wheel in the road. You see it? Alright, good.
What am I do with banking? We don't know where to walk. Nowhere at all we don't have to walk. And look at so. If the China man he build ya so, let me fight against the China man and say China man need this and China man need that. And look at, we can't chuck off another like a deep hole. You understand me I say? Look on the road. You think China man need to build a road like this? China man couldn't build a road like this. A black man do this, look on it. But me the Prime Minister, me find him and prison him. Sentence in Ross. And I have to get back my money. No joke thing. Yeah man. No joke thing about it. A long time them are going with this. So like they don't think about St. Thomas people there. Because St. Thomas people them the back of time. At the back of wall. We know the back of wall. You understand what I say? St. Thomas people them are progressive people them. I be a fool and sitting come out here and look on the road them. Not even an inch of asphalt on the road. Look on it. Truck thing in the pan, brother. As the road picks up water. I deep all this. Look on it, man. Look on the wall. Look on the wall.
Go down in.
Look on the wall. Look here. Look on the wall here. I think China man is a build your brother. You think a China man is a build this? Look on here. Be like China man is a build that, sir. I mean, you have to get this in the man. Look on my bank inside. Look on man and dig it out. Nah, nowhere to walk by my yard. Nowhere at all to walk by my yard. Look on the wall right here. I was waiting for everything chop off. You know, so I come and deal with the thing back. Like, then I'm going to nobody to talk about it. You understand what I say? But what do you want to say everybody to talk about this thing, brother? You understand? We don't rate where I go on. I mean, I blame the Prime Minister, man, and we build the road, I blame. Them are the blamer. But I'm tell you about Prime Minister, this and Prime Minister, the day when time this a bill. You understand what I say? And the man, they will collect the money, and them do it, short-handed. Put everything in them pocket. Yeah, man. I do not depend.
Come daddy, we'll talk to you.
Yeah, what am I saying up here?
Yeah.
Right now, is if they give China man the road, we'll have a better road. And it's a black man, if I say XYZ, the black man I go defend it and say, I them to get the road. No, they don't get the road. We are driving a deep hole. We'll call it cave. Because we have one deep hole up there, so they call it cave. Otherwise, it's a reggae fall. Because this is next to the reggae fall, you know. You understand what I say? Look on the road where the bank inside now. And the tear off the whole of the bank inside. Whole of it. Which is never necessary to superior off anything and do what they do. And look there, rainfall, every time rainfall, everything come down in the road. You understand me I say? We can't live so, brother. Not even 1 inch of material upon the road. So as vehicle run, it sink. Look on the car man them. When the car man them I go through. Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah man, I want to say something about the road, brother. I want to drive by it. I want to use it. So I'm supposed to talk about it. We can't
Quickly. Yeah. Sorry, Daddy. All the roads stay how you drive on it.
You whole life from Morant, you want to dig up back. You whole life all cargo. The Stewart mash up already.
Is this before or after the hurricane?
Before.
What about you, driver? How difficult it is? How long it take you to go where you're going? Yeah. What I like to see how me feel now.
You want to dig up and do over in the Stewart.
Alright, much respect here. So, this me ask you, was it before or after the hurricane?
One before even the hurricane. Before even the hurricane is alright, a year again. A year again.
Right.
A year again. A year again. Send me alone at a early. Since year man. Since a year when hurricane kind of.
It's been since earlier this year.
Yeah, since early. Since year.
You know, the road do right, you say, as you say.
Well,
Since when?
from from January, you know? From January. The road there. January, February. Done. And from then time it do, and then see where so kind of dig up, then come put a little sitting on a place. See little sitting where them two dig up and so, and just come spread that little thing back on it. And see there, the worst you know. Worst is nightmare.
I realize that trucks
Yeah,
drive.
well if a truck come, truck do a lot of it too. But they amount of weight where they might carry from up at the river side there. It a do a lot. Because right now we have no river down here, you know. We used to have pretty river like a glass. So the glass is clean and pretty. That's how the water used to look. And right now we can't bathe, we can't wash night, we can't do nothing at all.
What do you think is causing that?
What? They have one site up a go on up there so. But them are digging a river. We need people to get it, we stop. The little pit there where you used to have the river side can't go there. If you go in there right now, they can fungus on their skin. Even me myself, because I can't bathe out there again. I jump on me and bathe in there. I mean, never used to bathe in a jump on. You used to go to the riverside, go chuck off and alright tonight. Lay down until me ready to come out. We can't do it again. Because if you go out there right now, you're going to see out there turn mud.
That's not right.
You understand what I say? And nobody can talk.
How long you live in the community now?
I just born and grew. From 1968, I just live.
And your name?
Me and Francis.
Francis?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So pretty. And when you come here, so you don't know what I'm going.
Yeah.
Don't so pretty. And when you come here, so yeah.
But don't they look bad as well?
But the same thing I go on down, say kind of take time and go down, because no concrete, no material on the road.
Yeah.
No material at all on the road.
Yeah.
Go on the road.
Driver, yeah.
Good driver.
They can realize that the speed limit is 20.
Yeah, we want to talk to some driver of all the roads stay bad. What is the road right now?
Well, right now from York to Seafood, not ready, none at all. Look at the condition. What all I just don't do. Round the corner around this up, it never do none at all. When you go up to the bridge and go this up.
You have to enter in
Surge, not do none at all. It need more Baba Green. And then the rose the rotten mall with the surface of the road. So when the water take it swell up back not ready, brother, not ready, none at all.
How long it
No
take you to go from, to fly your route, like before and after the road stay like this?
Well, normally it's supposed to take me like 25-30 minutes. Normal driving.
How long it take you now?
I did take me 45-50 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know what them are going to do, but it want reconstruct from York to Seafood. No good.
Yeah, you not ready none at all. Yeah, the water drainage, and they're not ready. The road full of water just like a river. Before they not do no water drain, they're not ready. Then fix the road and the same old place when block up, then not clear them out and put in new one.
Alright, much respect here.
Yeah, good morning. Want your view about the condition of the road. Alright, come, hello, come.
Over here. How bad is the road condition right now?
Bad.
Oh, which route you apply to?
Trinity
Where?
Bay.
From Twiddle Bay to where?
Martin.
How you know how long it take you to go where you're going?
Well, some part good.
Quite good. And you know, what would you like to see happen to the road condition right now?
Properly fix that, man.
And the water draining in a properly.
Was it like this before burial or since burial it happened like
Burial.
this? Since burial. Right. So you need for them need to work on the road.
Yeah.
What do you think is the problem? What is like this?
One thing is a problem. What is the reason why you think the road is like this?
Man.
Yeah, the proper road surface is fixed.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
Really bad, man. All my car, every pass in my place, be a tear road. If you change all the mud guard every minute, if your car look good, I hard to maintain. I police them about that way every day.
Yeah. So you have to go to mechanic shop and buy things for your vehicle, often, right?
Yeah, really bad. And the road just fixed.
How long ago the road fixed? Roughly.
But not even a month.
Yeah. Was it like this before burial or since burial it get like this?
Well, very long to make it worse. Because when the rain fall, water come off of them place and mash up the road. So, that's who you have taxi, man.
Wanna think of the cars of this? Wanna feel what
The road not fixed good. The road not do good. The road not do good.
much respect.